Bye bye. Yeah. Sad journey. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is 6:27 and we're going to Kamati Park, the pride the pride of Baroda. Yeah, it is that way, and this is the hostel where we are staying. That is my bed, and this is for Betty, and this is for another one. We have just dressed up and we are going to head out right now. I will see you guys on our way. This is the OTD. I'm wearing a tie shirt, a white shorts, and slippers. So there is 5 of us. We're going together. This entrance of a hole, and I'm staying here. Yeah. Oh, guys, it is 7. Okay, don't bother me. This is Potagons. We've entered the park, and that is a train going over there. Oh, we are planning to ride that. Yeah, a lot of people there. It is a huge park. We are going on the way to book ticket for that train. Rồi. Phải lại đám chồng kiểu áo vũ to. Hi guys. That is the museum. Oh, there are a lot of people. Ooh. There are a lot of people we might not get this song. Of that, we came here, we didn't do anything. Everything was back. We were just roaming without doing anything. We didn't go on that. Guys, this will end of this vlog. Say bye. We came a little bit late, so we couldn't do anything. But yeah, this will be the end of this. And see you in my next vlog.